to share two reports. First report is about the alliance of 9 different groups against Abiy Ahmed. Could Ethiopia's capital fall to Tigrayan and allied forces? Your second report is about the fighting between Tigray Defense Force, Oromo Liberation Army, and Ethiopian National Defense Force with allies. Viewers, now let's move to the first report. As you know, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army have already alliance and advancing towards Addis Ababa. Oromo Liberation Army has already said they are going to encircle Addis Ababa. Other groups are also going to join them against Abiy Ahmed. Viewers, 9 anti-government groups in Ethiopia are to form an alliance with Tigray Defense Force to advance towards Addis Ababa. The alliance called the United Front of Ethiopian Federalist and Confederalist Forces. Two of the groups, the Oromo Liberation Army and the Aga Democratic Movement, confirmed the announcement was genuine. Where several of the groups have armed fighters, although it was not clear whether they all do. 9 groups opposing the government of Abiy Ahmed. This is a broad coalition of armed groups and political actors representing different regional and ethnic interests. Viewers, but remember, Oromia, the region that surrounds Addis Ababa, is divided. Most of the Oromia region people support Abiy Ahmed. He lost some of that support when security forces detained thousands of Oromos, some of whom accused him of not doing enough for the community. Where several Oromo leaders were also detained in the wake of deadly riots that killed hundreds. Regional diplomats said the threat to march on Addis Ababa could be a tactic to try to force Abiy Ahmed into negotiations or to step down. Where Tigrayan forces could instead try to increase pressure on Abiy Ahmed's government by cutting off the landlocked country from the region's main seaport. They could also enter the capital with or behind their Oromo allies. Viewers, now let's move to the second report. Intense fighting is underway between Tigray Defense Force, Oromo Liberation Army, and Ethiopian National Defense Force with allies in the areas located between Kemise and Ataya. After taking control of Kemise, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army were advancing towards Atay to capture it. But again, intense fighting started between these areas. Where Tigray Defense Force is trying to control the road which connects Ethiopia to Djibouti. But this road is not under the control of Tigray Defense Force so far. Viewers, for more latest reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.